Hello everyone, I am Ashwini Patil from HM College, Karad. Today we take an initiative for the online teaching due to the COVID-19. This is my first lecture for the BCom third year students and my subject is web technology. In the web technology there are the 4 units and we can see today the first unit. The first unit is the introduction to internet. Let's see the contents of this chapter. Contents. The first point is the introduction to internet, application of internet, concept of www, that is the World Wide Web, domain or domain names, web browsers, surfing and searching, search engines, and the email and chatting. Let's move for the point first, that is the internet. Today's era is the internet era and all of you use the smartphones. In that smartphones all of you use the only internet, only social networking sites, so we can know more about the internet. But the definition of the internet is the global system of interconnected computer networks. It means it interconnects the all type of a computer networks. So we can say that it is a network of a network that consists of millions of private network, public network, business network, and the government network of a local to global scale. Let's see the private network. The private network is the network which having restrictions on its access. That's called the private network. Next is the public network, the network which do not have any type of restrictions on its access. That's the public network. Next, move for the academic network. The academic network is used only by the resource person or a resource scholars for developing any type of a program or the course. Next is the business network. The businessman and the entrepreneur used this network for the bonding relationships. Next is the government network. Government network, it is a secure and reliable for the exchanging sensitive documents in between the government agencies and the government. That is the government network. These all types of networks is called computer networks and it's interconnected with a global system, and that global system is the internet. That global system is linked by 3 ways. The first way is the broad array of electronic, second one is the wireless, and the third one is the optical networking technology. That by using that 3 ways we can link a computer with your internet. The internet carries an extensive range of information resources and services such as interlinked hypertext document, application of the World Wide Web, electronic mail, telephony, and peer-to-peer networks for the file sharing. Next is the internet has enabled and accelerated forms of human interaction through instant messaging, internet forums, and the social networking. The next point is the application of internet. The first application of internet is the communication. The communication is a way of explaining your feelings. Here the communication is used for sending and receiving message from one person to another person by using the email. Next is the job searches. Getting information regarding the available jobs in the areas, in the different sectors. For that purpose you can use the job search. Next is the finding books and the study materials. For the getting more knowledge we can find more books and find more details of study materials. This is also one application of the internet. Next application is the health and the medicine. Internet provide the information about that fields. Internet provide about the information about the medicines, about the virtual check rooms, and we also can use the virtual check rooms for the patients. Next application is the travel. It is used for getting information about the tourist places, holidays tours. Also we can book the hotels, train, flight tickets. Next application is the entertainment. We can use the internet for download jokes, song, music, movies and latest sport updates, for which we can use the internet. Next application is the shopping. On the internet there are multiple online shopping sites, that's the e-commerce sites, and we use for the online shoppings. Next is the stock market updates. We can sell or buy any type of shares by using internet. Next application is the research. In the research you can use the internet for the download or for the getting any type of a thesis. Next application is the business. In the business we can use different types of internet. And the next point is the concept of WW. The WW means the World Wide Web. It is an informative space where the documents and the web resources are identified by URI. The URI means Uniform Resource Identifier. It is interlinked by the hypertext links. We can access via the internet. It becomes known simply as a web. Also we can say that the web is the combination of a document, resource or the hyperlinks. Also we can say the web is the nothing but the combination of a multi-contents and the hyperlinks. This is also the one of the definition of a web, or the one of the meaning of the web. Then the next is the web pages. Web pages are the text document formatted and annotated by hypertext markup language. This is the text documented formatted, also having or in a HTML format. Multimedia. Multimedia contents are the combination of text, audio, video, images and the graphics. That's nothing but the multimedia contents. Next is the hyperlinks. Hyperlink permits user to navigate from we can jump from the one page to another page. Multiple web pages with a common theme, a common domain name or both may be called as a websites. Also we can say that the website is a combination of web pages. That's also the definition or the meaning of the websites.